Hey everyone, this is Akshay and welcome back to Tech Binders. So today we are going to do the unboxing and review of latest and greatest smartphone of 2019. Yes, you guessed it right. So here we are having the Note 10 Plus in my hand. I'm going to do the unboxing and review and let you know how good this smartphone is. So this will not be the only video on Note 10 Plus. There will be a couple more videos on Note 10 Plus on the comparison side as well as tips and tricks. So if you want to watch these videos, subscribe to the channel right now. Okay, back to the video. So without any further ado, let's get started in this video. So here comes our box, and as always there is a stylus pen engraved on it, and this one is blue in color. Boom. Here we are. So this is an aura glow color, and out of the box you will find a 20-watt charger. So this is super fast 20-watt charger out of the box. Also we'll find these AKG earphones. So they've removed the microphone jack.
This is awful. Who did this?
People. And there is no microphone jack. So here it comes with USB-C. So these look like old AKG earphones which are coming from Acid devices. So on Acid, S9, S10 and now even in Note 10 you will find the same AKG, but this time we are having a USB-C. Keeping them aside, and here we are having a USB-C type cable for charging. So this one is not USB A to C, but it's USB-C to C. So it's pretty great and you can directly use on your laptop or MacBook without worrying about a dongle. So it's pretty great, and I really like that they have included a USB-C to C. As always I complain, this wire is of not good length and will not last longer. There are something more, I forgot to mention. So here you will find SIM ejector tool, some paperwork, so starter guide, warranty card, stuff like that, and also an back case. So this is really great because this is a TPU cover, unlike on my S10 Plus which is a hard cover, and sometimes I really feel that it should be an TPU cover, not a hard cover. So this is great that they have given a pre-applied screen protector, but this is not as great as the white stone dome. So soon I'm going to install this white stone dome screen protector on this Note 10 Plus. So if you want to know more about that, stay tuned to Tech Binders. So there is no power button on the right, and I think this is only the power button. So the power button is shifted from right. So here on my S10 Plus it is on the right, but here they have shifted to the left. So let's set this up and let's talk more about this phone. So till it boots, let's talk more about the specification. So here we are having 17.16, that is 6.8 inch full rectangle. As you can see that the bezels are pretty narrowed in comparison to Galaxy S10 Plus, and here you will find a single camera, unlike in S10 Plus where there are two cameras. As we know that the Samsung panels are really great and it carried its legacy here also. Super speed dual pixel 12 megapixel optical image stabilization, and this one is f1.5, and ultra wide 16 megapixel 2.2 and 12 megapixel OIS zoom lens, and also they have included a depth vision camera. So you will find here that they have included a depth vision camera and dual pixel 10 megapixel autofocus front camera for selfie, ultrasonic fingerprint which is really great, S Pen, and also this one is 256GB 12GB RAM, and also they have included the stereo speakers, but the point is that there is no speaker in the front, so I don't know how they have done it, and we're gonna find out more in the video. And also the wireless power share, an all-time favorite IP68 water and dust resistant. So if you're already using the Samsung devices, it would be really hard for you because the button has shifted from right to the left on the Bixby position. So it looks identical in case if you compare with S10 Plus. So soon we are going to do a comparison between these two phones. Stay tuned to Tech Binders to know more. And also one thing to notice that they have moved the fingerprint sensor to a little bit upward position in comparison to S10 Plus. So here you will find that the fingerprint sensor is really very low on the screen. So this will also take some time for building memory muscle. Let's try the fingerprint. Wow. That's blazing fast, and it works even without turning your screen on, which is really great. And also when we talk about the screen to body ratio, it's really great, and sometimes I think this punch hole camera will annoy you, but it's not a great deal for me and I am accustomed to this form factor. Also talking about the curved display, this one is also curved and this looks a fabulous screen. Also they have included the S Pen. So here it comes and this is blue in color. And also it supports various features which I'm gonna show you. So there are some gestures which you can really use if you are using the camera. So if you want to take a picture, all you need to do is that press this button. So it's very easy, you can swipe between the cameras. All you need to do is that swipe up and you can swipe the cameras. It works flawlessly. Just swipe up and you can change the camera. So there are a couple of gestures available, you can see here. If you want to go to the next mode, you need to swipe left or right. So if you want to zoom in, just move it clockwise, and if you want to zoom out, just move anti-clockwise. If you don't want to touch your phone and you want to take a selfie or something, just press and hold this button. I would definitely say this is not an S Pen, this is a remote control for your phone, which is really great. So still I'm learning how to use this pen, and also if you want you can even edit a screenshots and all, and this feature is really great. So there are a couple of things which you can do with this Galaxy S Pen, and you will find more in later videos. I really love this aura glow color, although it's attracting a lot of fingerprints. Still I love this variation and it is protected with Gorilla Glass 6, so there are less chances of scratching, and even the camera bump is also protected, and here you will find this is Gorilla Glass. Here we are having Android 9 and the UI version is 1.5, Knox is 3.4, and you will find here this Android security patch is of 1st July 2019. So here we are running at the latest Android Pie out of the box. When we talk about the display is really very sharp, and I think this one is also having 1200 nits, and this is right now at full HD screen display. If you want you can go for quad HD, but I love the full HD display as it saves a lot of battery. So if you find the microphone is really very tiny and it is between the body and the screen. So this one works as a Bixby button as well as your power button all at once. So if you like press and hold, you will find that this one is a Bixby button, but if you just single tap, it's a power button. I would really love that if they have given a dedicated power button. I really love the S10 form factor. I don't love this Note 10 form factor. If you are having a small hand, then definitely you will also have the same issue as I am facing. So it looks a little bit big in your hand, and also the fingerprint is a little bit upward. The pen works flawlessly and with different gestures, and it's really great. So here you will find that the update for both of the phone. So they've given the security patch of 1st August. You can see that too on S10 Plus. So we are going to talk more about this phone in couple of videos. As of right now, I really enjoy this aura glow in color. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed my channel till yet, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get latest video notification. This is all for today. Thank you for watching and catch you in the next video.